Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's that time of the year now. We're getting towards the end of August. I'm totally sick and tired of the garden. I've had enough of it. Hunting season is coming up right around the corner, and winter is coming, and it's like, let's just get the garden done. But even though some things now are dying off and are finished, like all the peas are done, I'm still getting a lot of cucumbers, squash. I just picked a cantaloupe yesterday. It was actually pretty good. I just cut it open today and gave it a try. I did go ahead and pick out all the rest of the onions today. I've used quite a few of them just right out of the garden. And didn't plant that many this year. I just had the one row, unlike, what was that, like 2 years ago when I did close to 300 onions, which was about, 280 more than I really needed. But I pulled these out, and I think what I'm going to do is just cut these up and dehydrate them and bring them up to the tent. I really like having them in jars up there, and I actually do use them up there. I got a ton of ripe tomatoes. I don't know if I'm going to make salsa or not. I guess now that the onions are done I could. It all depends on if I have time. I'm going to go ahead and dig up all of the potatoes this week. It's time. A lot of the plants are totally gone now. These here are dying off, so I'm going to get all these pulled and we'll see how we did. And the carrots, they're ready to come out also. I'm done weeding in the garden completely. I did pull a couple of carrots. I got a nice purple one out last night. That was pretty neat. So I'll probably get these pulled. I'll leave these in for a little while longer because I do want to can some of these, and once you pull them out you have to do it within a few days or they're going to start to get kind of soggy. The peanut plants, they keep growing and growing, but I won't see what we did with these until it gets really cold. Right about when it's gonna start to freeze up, that's when I'll yank these out. I still have maybe 50 green peppers on the plants. They're still flowering, they're still making more, and they usually do almost right up to freeze up. So I've ate a lot of green peppers, and I'm probably going to have to dehydrate some of those or maybe cut them up and freeze them. But the cool thing that I kind of wanted to make this video about is on my cotton plants here. I see that, you can see this right here. It's starting to make the little pods that'll eventually open up and they'll have cotton. I do like the broccoli. You cut the head off and then it grows up, and you cut that off and it keeps growing and growing and it just keeps producing broccoli. The acorn squash are starting to get ripe here. Like I've told you before, I don't eat it, but my folks do, so I'm excited. I got quite a few of them here that I'll be bringing over there in probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 more weeks. Got one little orange pumpkin right there. Another one started out here. I'm not really sure where that one's trying to go, but hopefully it'll make some pumpkins here. Halloween is what, just a couple months away. The earlier season raspberries, they're done, but now look at this. Towards the end of the season I get these. There's more than 1,000 of them here. This just full. And these ones get nice and big. So I'm pretty excited. I mean, there is more this year than I've ever seen on these plants. So it won't be long now and the garden will be all tilled up. I'll be bringing firewood into the workshop. Another month and it's going to start getting cold. I just remembered I was mowing the grass. Was it yesterday? Yesterday. And I think I have one plum that's just about ready to be eaten. I actually have several of them on here that are just about ready to go. And we have about 1 more month and the apples should be prime time for picking. They're looking good. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I will see you guys on the next video.